Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. If you know me, I love chicken, and today we're making up this one pan paprika chicken thighs, and half the time I wander around clucking. So it's super delicious, perfect with quinoa rice. You're gonna love it. Let me walk you through this, and let's get started. So what I've got here to kick things off are 7 skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to place these into a Ziploc bag. Season them up with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of minced garlic, just to keep the vampires away, and of course some pepper. A couple of sprigs of fresh thyme, and of course, to bring out that flavor, about a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to close up the Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to give this a massage just until the spices cover everything. You know, chickens always like massages. I think I've got a little hole in my bag. Holy bag! Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken in, and I'm going to fry this over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes on each side. This smells so good, guys. Okay, I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, a cup of baby carrots, 10 baby potatoes cut in half, and I'm going to give these a toss until the onions become translucent. So after that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we'll just give this a mix up. When the flour is cooked through, I'm going to add in a cup of chicken stock. Reduce the heat, and I'm going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's done, and just look at this, guys. Looks incredible and smells incredible. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. Some potatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and spoon some of that delicious goodness over the chicken. Looks so yummy. A little bit more thyme. And there you have it, guys, our one pan paprika chicken thighs. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This looks incredible. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so good. You're gonna love this. Perfect with the carrots, the spices. I'm going to eat more of this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.